You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Nechembebazizza okulaba bavuddeyo nga beerwanira kubanga zenga Meeya nina wenkoma but nsubira ensonga eyo Prime Minister Speaker ya Parliament yakiyingira, Minister ya Kampala yakiyingira ne bakimala. The only issue was okutereeza payment program, but chenso bakakasa next 4 days nako nga nnya buli mutu ajja kubeera ng'afunye ssente ze. Nga Meeya nja kutwala mukisa guno okwebaza Unilever okudduukirira naddala bamaama baffe abayera mu Kampala Central Division ne babawa kits ne babawa Omo, Rico, Geisha soap, toothpaste n'ebikozesa gumboots, reflector. So nja kwebaza ne town clerk wange okulaba twagenze.
With the products that we make, we ensure we give back. So thank you. I honor you. I know in Uganda we get salty less. Thank you for everything that you do. And tomorrow, as you're going out there to work, do it for God, do it for Kampala, do it for yourself, because you're our superhero. To say a few words, and then after that we will hand over the token of appreciation we'll be giving you so that he can award you.
Boots, the gloves, the reflector. Kuba ndi mukozi wa kiro. Motoka zitutawanya nnyo ziba tezitulengera. Reflector webeka DNA gwako kala. Ate bakama baffe balwawo tuwa uniforms era nze mbadde sina reflector. Mbadde njina nga kya green naye nga tekyaka emmotoka eba tenengerera wala nti eriyakola.
Bino bigenda kutuyamba otuba tukola tuleme okukwata mu bukyafu.